So we got a little short going right here, end of kind of the middle of the day, I guess we call this. Right now, 1:45, 2 o'clock. And try to see if we can get this to make a new low. NASDAQ kind of primed up to short here. And looking to see if we get through this 40 area. Then it's like right into the 30s or so. And looking pretty good right now. There we go, into the 30s. Taking a little bit of profit here, 37s for 10 points, just to lock that in. There we go, getting filled and kind of messing around, maybe a little bit more. I actually added into this as well, so kind of move my buy stops here, right? So that way we can, if we do get continuation, you know, maybe this kind of waterfall straight down here, and we can ride this kind of slowly moving this order there. Kind of following, just in case we go like right through there, you know, we could, there we go. See how that's like, okay, I've moved this to 35 now, move this right here, kind of trailing that one. All right, we locked in some more right there, 36s, looking for some more. Now we got 34s, so we're getting a better fill, or basically just kind of riding this. There we go, we're riding this lower, beautiful, getting some more fill down there. We'll take a little bit more right here, kind of at the 32s possibly. All right, let's keep it going. Going for new low. New low right here. All right, there, getting filled. Moving this last stop to 31. All right, perfect. So you can see how we kind of just like scaled out of that. We actually added into this. Now, you might wonder, like, why did I go larger into this move if I was, you know, looking to target this previous low here? Well, why did I not go larger? Because if you see, we're just not like clearly in a good bear flag. This is more of like a possible reversal setup with a double bottom. And I'm kind of like, okay, you know, that's kind of how I'm looking at it. But then when I go over here and I pull up on the 15-minute or 2-minute chart here, I can see we got the pivot point. Look at the 15-minute chart. I was just kind of looking for this 15-minute candle to kind of stretch down into here a little bit into that 30 area, and then the possibility of kind of making a new low down into 20,020. But on the day right now, look at how beautifully this is all played out. We've got the 15-minute range at open, the first 15-minute candle of the day, and look at this move. Straight down, we got stuck. You can see we built a little bear flag here. There's your little bear flag, right? And then we started to make this next move down. The only problem now is like middle of the day, we're sitting right here at the low of day. Do we take it out? Do we make it kind of a bounce here? So I'd be worried a little bit about the chop, but kind of looking like it wants to go. It wants to go. You can see here on the day right now in these accounts, we've got $2,400 in that account right there, and then $700 across these four accounts. The problem is I wasn't paying attention, but I didn't see the trade copying. So the first contract that I put on, when I first put on this 5 contracts, I was already, it was just one account with that one contract, 5 contracts there. So then I just kind of added into it and just took all that profit here on this one account. And you can see kind of sitting down there at this 30 level. This is kind of, I was worried about this area being support there. And like you can see now, I might have kind of done the right thing and taken the profit. You know, I could have been a little bit more greedy. I saw on the 15-minute chart that we've got this pivot point down there, 19,904s, that we could possibly kind of see pretty soon. But again, I feel like I'm kind of chasing this move. I just got back from lunch and saw this setup, saw it kind of playing out, kind of seeing the idea of this leg. So if we break, you know, this bear flag here, it's kind of the idea of like, okay, you know, how far could we go down with that leg there? We got that pivot point down there, kind of the potential there. But the only problem now is I got to worry about this, what is happening right now, this reversal. So as you can see how that played out, look at that, kind of played out and pushed it right back up there. So again, that's why I didn't go very large size. I was only going to go 1 contract per account, but ended up with the 5 contracts in that one account. So on the day, we are up beautifully, $700, $2,400 in my Apex accounts here. Look at this. We're in the green right there, 2,200, getting that big short there at open. The 15-minute range. Look at my hair right now. What is going on? I just rode the bike back from the thing, but everything looking real good right now. We are locking in over $60,000 in profit today and making it look too easy. My competition doesn't even believe it. They got to start making up different theories and ideas on how does he do it. They got to make excuses. But hey, it's very simple. I just trade. That's all I do. I trade momentum. I trade pretty much exactly how I teach in the course for $199. You can sign up today. Call it what you want. Hate on me all you want. But at the end of the day, guess what? I'm winning. You know, it's just constantly. Patrick Whelan is winning. I'm on the leaderboard now. Do you guys see me on the leaderboard? You guys see me on the leaderboard, huh? Everybody see that? Check this out. I'm on the leaderboard, baby. Who's on the leaderboard? I'm on the leaderboard, baby. Check it, check it, check it. There's the payouts in my bank account. There's the big board. Number 18, Patrick Whelan. And, well, where is Rips at? Where is ICT? They're nowhere. The profits, we talked about it all happening the way that it played out exactly today. The key for me this morning pre-market, go back, watch the live stream if you don't believe me, but the key for me this morning was very, very simple. I don't know what is going on with this chart now, but the key for me was right here. Okay, this 15-minute candle. We broke out. Think about it like this. We break out through the VWAP. This is a very important candle. This is like a breakout candle. This is like a candle that if we lose this, it's not good. Basically says that the bulls have given up, that they're just not going to push it higher. And, well, as you can see, they did not push it higher. We dumped down. So keep that in mind. You know, look for these little hints pre-market. What were we doing pre-market? We were bear flagging. We had a really, you know, kind of strong reversal back up here. But when you really look at the bigger picture, you know, we're just bear flagging. Remember, bear flags go up, bull flags go down. Check out the course if you want to learn more. There it is. We're locking in the profits. Tune in tomorrow morning. Fresh Cash Friday, 9 a.m.